What if looking after your money was as easy as scrolling through your phone and you got rewards thrown in as well? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries a fair bit of risk, like price swings and market risks. So, before you jump into trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you know your own risk tolerance. And in today's video, I'll be sharing Crypto.com with you and how this is actually going to make your life easier by helping you manage your money. So, without mucking about, let's dive straight into today's video. Let's get into it. Alright folks, as you can see, I'm now on the official Crypto.com website, and this is where you can really take your wealth up a notch. So, let me quickly show you just how easy and straightforward it is to log in. So, if you want to log in, you just head over there and you can log in. You can even log in with a QR code, so you can just open up the Crypto.com app, scan yourself in, and you're already logged in. Honestly, it's just a couple of clicks and a scan, and you're in. Alright folks, and just like that, you'll have instant access to premium benefits without any complicated setup. As you can see, it's a really clean website, and they're all about helping you level up. You can see there are heaps of markets here, crypto predictions and all that. And trending coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLP, plus they've got Dogecoin and Chronos too. They've even got individuals listed right here as well. So you can join the level up, and that's where you'll unlock the premium features. They've got businesses they partner with too, and you can head over to Discover as well to find out a bit more about Crypto.com. Hey guys, so you might be wondering who Crypto.com is for, and honestly, it's made for everyone. They've got a secure app you can use, whether you're just starting out, a seasoned user, or a total pro. It doesn't matter. Crypto.com's for everyone because their secure app is actually really easy to use. Like I mentioned, it's user-friendly and comes with heaps of premium perks too. And the best part is, Crypto.com works worldwide. Hey guys, if I scroll down, you'll see they've got 0 trading fees, and if I scroll down even further, every time you spend, you'll get 6% back on CRO spending. So you'll get 6% back on literally everything you spend. You'll also get rebates on everyday apps like Netflix and Spotify. So by using them, you'll get rebates and actually make money just by using the apps you use all the time. And they've got solid financial values at their core. Say top yield accounts will give you 5% APY. They'll waive trading fees to help you maximize your gains. So what don't they actually offer? Crypto.com actually gives you everything you need to be successful in the trading game. So why would you waste your time? Go check them out. That's honestly how good they really are. And all I want is for you to level up. So why would you want to get left behind? Take your wealth to the next level without any hassle. Start your 30-day free trial with Level Up and see just how easy it is to earn while you live. Thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers.